white as snow. And everywhere that Mary
Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
One day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh.
Goodbye.
Laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Look at this. It is a broomfish.
The teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. So the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about. And
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Mary did appear.
Goodbye.
Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children
Look at
cry.
this. It is a comet fish.
The lamb you know, lamb you know, lamb you know.
Woohoo!
Mary loves the lamb you know, the teacher did reply.
Look at this. It is a comet
Mary
fish.
had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Look at this. It is an eel.
Yeah!
Look at this. This is a lemon fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Yes.
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Goodbye.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Goodbye.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary
Look
had
at this.
a little
It is a
lamb,
comet
its
fish.
fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary
Yeah.
Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
It followed her to
Goodbye.
school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the
Look at this. This is a lemon fish.
Laugh and play, it made the children laugh and play to see a lamb.
Woohoo!
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher
Look at
turned
this.
it out, but
It is a
still
broom
it
fish.
lingered near and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so.
Yeah!
Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know.
Look at
Why
this.
Mary
It is a
loves
zebra
the
cichlid
lamb,
fish.
the teacher did reply.
Yeah, boy.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had
Look
a
at this.
little
It
lamb,
is a
its
eel.
fleece was white as snow.
Yes.
Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Goodbye.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a red devil fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Woohoo!
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white
Look
as
at this.
snow.
This is a lemon fish.
Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed
Look at
her to
this.
school one
It is a
day,
broom
school
fish.
one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day,
Yeah!
which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and
Look at
play
this.
to see
It is a
lamb
comet
at
fish.
school.
Yeah, boy.
So the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near. And
Look at
waited
this.
patiently
It this a eel.
Patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary
Yes.
did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb
Look at
love
this.
Mary
It
so?
this a
The
broomfish.
eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know.
Goodbye.
Lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
Goodbye.
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.